Alright everybody, wanted to give you a quick overview and kind of a walkthrough of our first time taking this boat out in weeds. Obviously we've been working a long time on this intake grate system and being able to make sure that we weren't going to ingest a bunch of junk the first time you take this out into some weeded areas. And here you're going to be able to see the underside of the boat. And one of the tough things is that the GoPro is catching so much weeds as it goes by, it's kind of hard to film. Alright, so here we're going to zoom in and we're going to slow this down so you can watch as the weeds slide across the bottom of the boat. They're sliding right over the intake grate and you can watch them roll right off the back of the boat there. What's really crazy is in this next part you're going to see some floating chunks go by and they're going to float right over the top of the intake grate. Right there. You can see that chunk is floating right over the intake and it's completely not even disturbed. And then rolls right off the back. There's another one right there, just cleanly flowing right off the back, and that's what we want. We just want to leave everything right where we found it. Don't even disturb the plant life as we go by. And here's another quick shot just from your perspective in the boat, kind of the weeds that we're in. I mean, it's probably 6 inches or so of water. And you can see the plants rolling off the back of the boat, not even disturbed. And there are fish everywhere in this back little pond I was in, just tucked away everywhere. They didn't even notice us floating by in this thing. So this was obviously just the first test, but I think it's really off to a great start. Now we're going to go start getting into some hydrilla, start getting into some reeds and grass and really see how it does.